coming for you, Russia. In Ukraine. Oh, Putin. Alright, what's up guys? So one of my bucket list is to buy a brand new AirPod, and I just got it right here. It's Apple. It's not like one of these that I bought it from like Burlington or like TJ Maxx. Fake AirPod, and it's not good. The sound is not the same. Yeah, I've tried this one before. I've tried it from my friends, my cousin. It's the good one, but this is trash, so I'm gonna destroy all of it right now. Alright, so the first AirPod, I guess I'm just gonna throw it and see how destructive this is. Here we go. Oh, my car. Sheesh. Okay, it's still good. Break the lid a little bit. Second attempt, run over it. Alright, I'm gonna put this one right here. Face down, like this. Go ahead. Straight. Just go straight. Let's see how destructive this is. Oh shit. Alright, one down. Oh, look at this. It's all done. R.I.P. Look at this. No, it's done though. Hey, reverse it. Wait, hold up. Here, go, wait. Go ahead. Oh, that sound. Woo, now it's all done. Completely done. Ah, look at this. You destroyed it. Alright, one down. We got two more to destroy. Alright, so this is the AirPod number 2. So I only have one AirPod. I don't know where's the other one, but I'm gonna shoot it with this baby gun, baby. Put it right here. See if it's gonna stand. Okay. Jaden, watch out. Safety on. That's not gonna destroy it. Oh! Hold up. Nah, I didn't do shit. Look. You on it? Yeah. Oh. Close your eye. It's not doing anything. Dude, try that one. Okay. So the baby gun doesn't do anything. What about? Wait, you got bullets in here, Jaden? Yeah.
It's safety off.
Safety's off. Watch out. Okay. Oh wait, it's not even. You be missing. You sure it's bullets in there? Yeah, there's bullets in there. It's okay. You know what? Give me that Wait, can I try? Tanboy.
We gotta try.
Okay, then we got another one. Ooh.
What the? No, it's not sharpened.
Okay. This will do it though.
Where's the iron sight?
Oh! Good shot. Alright, Fruit Ninja. Watch out.
Wait, you want me to toss it to you?
Sure. Ready?
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit!
One more.
Wait, watch out! Oh shit, I missed.
One more. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Broke it in half, look.
You'll find the remaining parts.
There's one right here. Pick up all the pieces. There's the other one right here.
Look at the other piece.
Where's the actual AirPod? Okay, I'm gonna destroy it. Boom! Oh, you can't hit the ground. Alright, that's it.
Move on!
Oh, I missed.
Oh, look at this. What the flip is in here? It's like a battery and a... what the...
The remaining of the second AirPod.
Alright. On to the third one.
Right there?
I'll go up there and drop a rock on it.
Okay, go ahead. Alright. So here we go. I destroyed one AirPod. D destroyed the other AirPod. Now it's gonna be Jaden's turn. The third and the last AirPod. Go ahead. And he's gonna drop the rock on it. Okay. Oh shit! That doesn't take much effort. Look at that. Woo! Look at this, D. Oh.
Yo,
What?
You got toss it.
Oh shoot! What the hell is that? It's like a bag.
Wait, can you toss it out in the air? I'll shoot it.
That's no way you're gonna shoot it.
Do it over there.
That's no way you're gonna hit it. If you hit it,
If I hit it,
I'll do anything you say. Here. You ready? 3, 2. Hey, I'll just throw all of them. Hit one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, nah. This is hard. Alright, so here we go. This what's left from the
watch out, watch out, watch
from
out.
the Wait, get the hammer, get the hammer. Chop it up. Ooh. Go ahead, Jaden. You go first. Do the honor. Go ham, come on. Oh shit. Oh. Alright, T, go ahead. T. Go ahead, T. Hey, shit, you gotta break the gun. T, stop! You have to use the hammer right here. Boy.
Get out the way.
Holy shit. Go with this one. Oh, I'm coming for you, Russia. Yeah, Ukraine. Oh, Putin. Ah, that's good.
Oh shit,
Wait,
big boy,
over
bro.
here. I don't want to hit your head. Okay. Don't be scared if you're flying, okay? Yeah, touch your pee-pee?
No.
Okay. One more time. I think I got it. I almost had it. Okay. Oh shit.
Bro.
He's heavy. What about you? Try to do it to me.
But Jade can definitely lift you, dude.
Don't make me fall.